Welcome to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the RIOWOIS Sound Bar, a compact yet powerful speaker designed to enhance your TV and home entertainment experience. If you're tired of unclear dialogue or weak TV audio, this soundbar promises crystal clear sound, deep bass, and an easy setup. Let's dive into the details. The RIOWOIS Soundbar features 40 watts of stereo output, delivering rich, immersive sound. It comes with digital signal processing DSP and 3 preset sound modes: movies, music, and news, allowing users to adjust the audio based on their preferences. The customized bass reflector enhances low frequencies, making explosions, dialogues, and soundtracks feel more powerful and dynamic. With a height of just over 2.5 inches, this soundbar is compact and well-mountable, making it a great fit for any setup. It supports Bluetooth, auxiliary, and optical connections, making it compatible with TVs, PCs, and projectors. Plus, it works seamlessly with Fire TV remote controls and even offers extra remote support for Roku devices upon request. The installation process is quick and simple, with a detailed user manual and 24/7 customer support ready to assist. Backed by a 5-year warranty and lifetime accessory replacements, the RIOWOIS Soundbar offers both quality and peace of mind. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable way to upgrade your audio, this might be the perfect choice. What do you think? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.